Stop using store-bought decor. Everything in your home can look like it came from a high-end boutique, and the secret is in your hands right now. There's a reason some homes feel warm, layered, and like someone actually thought about every corner of the space. And there's a reason other homes feel cold and like everything came from the same shelf at a big box store. The difference is texture. The difference is handmade. And once you see the crochet pieces that can completely change the feel of a room, you're never going to look at a bare wall, a plain table, or a naked throw pillow the same way again. I'm going to walk you through some of the most stunning crochet items you can make for your home, pieces that look way more expensive than they are, and honestly, way more expensive than anything you'd find at a store for the price of a skein of yarn. Let's start with something that stops people the moment they walk through your door. A crochet wall hanging. These things are everywhere in interior design right now. You scroll through any home decor magazine or any aesthetic apartment tour on YouTube, and you will see a large textile piece on the wall. It creates this layered, boho, intentional look that makes a room feel curated rather than put together. The kind of wall hanging that designers charge hundreds of dollars for. I'm talking the kind that hangs in a pottery barn or Anthropologie. You can make one of those yourself, and it'll look even better because no one else has exactly the one you made. The key to making a wall hanging feel expensive is scale and simplicity. Don't overcrowd it with too many colors or too many stitch types. Pick one neutral color, think cream, oat, warm white, and use a thick, chunky yarn with a big hook, something like a 10mm or 12mm hook. The stitches that work best for this are simple ones: chains, single crochets, and fringe at the bottom. You can even add some wooden beads or macrame cord to the fringe for extra texture. Hang it on a raw wood dowel, and you have a piece that genuinely looks like it costs $200. The next one might seem simple, but it's one of the most impactful things you can put in any room: a crochet throw blanket. Not just any throw blanket, the kind that drapes over a couch in a way that looks like it was placed there by a professional stylist. You know the ones I mean: chunky, textured, usually in a neutral tone, slightly oversized so it pools a little when it hangs off the edge of the cushions. These are the throw blankets you see in every aspirational living room photo. The stitch that works best for this look is the waffle stitch or the moss stitch. Both of them create this amazing three-dimensional texture that catches light differently depending on the angle you look at it. From across the room, it just looks like a thick, luxurious blanket. Up close, you can see all this intricate structure in the fabric. That combination is what makes something look expensive. It rewards a closer look. For yarn, use a merino wool blend or a chunky cotton. Both have that natural matte look that cheap acrylic yarn doesn't. And color-wise, stay in your neutrals: sage green, terracotta, warm beige, dusty blue, colors that feel intentional and earthy rather than bright and synthetic. Now, let's talk about something small that makes a really big difference: crochet pillow covers. Throw pillows are one of the fastest ways to refresh a space, but store-bought pillow covers get boring fast, and the good-looking ones are expensive. When you make your own crochet pillow covers, you control everything: the texture, the color, the size, the stitch. And because they're three-dimensional, they add depth to a couch or a bed in a way that flat fabric covers just can't. The stitch I'd point you toward for pillow covers is the bobble stitch or the muff stitch. Both of them create these raised little clusters across the surface that look incredibly tactile and handmade in the best possible way. You can do a full pillow in one color with an interesting stitch pattern, or you can do stripes in two complementary neutral tones. The trick to making a crochet pillow cover look polished is the finishing. Sew in all your ends properly, make sure your edges are even, and if you're using a button closure on the back instead of a zipper, use buttons that match the aesthetic. Think wooden buttons or matte black buttons, not plastic white ones. That one detail changes the whole feel of the piece. Here's one that people genuinely do not expect can be crocheted, and it might be the most show-stopping thing on this list: a crochet lampshade. Wait, stay with me on this one. There's a specific type of lampshade style that's been showing up everywhere in interior design lately. It's an open work shade, usually in natural tones, where the light comes through the gaps in the crochet pattern and creates these beautiful shadows on the wall. It looks like something you'd find in a boutique hotel or a Scandinavian interior design catalog, and you can make it. The best pattern type for a lampshade is one that uses a lot of chain space mesh or large granny-style motifs, anything with big open holes that let light through. The light coming through the stitches is the whole point. You work it around a plain lampshade base or a wire frame, and you choose your yarn carefully. For this one, use a natural fiber. Cotton or jute works beautifully. Jute in particular has this earthy, rustic quality that makes the whole piece look like it belongs in a high-end home. Make sure you're using a yarn that's fire-safe and not too bulky, and always keep the lampshade away from high-heat bulbs. LED bulbs work best with these because they run cool. Now for one that completely transforms the feel of a dining space or a living room, a crochet table runner. A table runner sounds simple, but the right one completely changes a table. It adds color, texture, and that feeling of intentional styling. Most table runners you find in stores are flat and forgettable. A crochet table runner is textured, handmade, and completely unique. For table runners, the seed stitch or a simple ripple pattern works really well because it lays flat, which is important. You don't want something so three-dimensional that glasses wobble on the table, but you still get that beautiful surface texture that catches the light. The length matters here. Make it long enough to drape off both ends of the table by at least 6 to 8 inches. That drape is what makes it look styled rather than just functional. And if you want to take it to the next level, make matching crochet coasters in the same color or stitch pattern. A set like that, laid out on a table, looks like you spent a lot of money on a table accessory set from a boutique. Let's go room by room for a moment, because there are a few more items I want to make sure you know about. In the bathroom, one of the most overlooked opportunities is the crochet basket. Not a yarn bowl, not a coaster, a full, structured basket that can sit on your vanity or hold extra towels on the floor. Baskets made from cotton or jute yarn have incredible structure, and they hold their shape beautifully. A crochet basket on a bathroom shelf next to some rolled towels and a candle looks like something straight out of a spa. The best way to get structure in a crochet basket is to work with a tight gauge, smaller hook than the yarn calls for, and to use a thick, firm cotton. You can even add a leather handle if you want to make it look really elevated. In the kitchen, crochet dishcloths are an underrated home styling choice. Most people think of dishcloths as purely functional, but a set of thick cotton dishcloths in a consistent color palette, folded and hung on the oven handle or stacked on the counter, actually looks really intentional. The waffle stitch works beautifully here again, and cotton dishcloths in sage, cream, or terracotta feel like something you'd find in a high-end kitchen shop. Now for something a lot of crocheters sleep on, literally. A crochet bed runner. This is the piece at the foot of a bed, the one that hotel rooms always have that makes the whole bed look put together. Most people buy cheap ones from Amazon that look fine.
Switch on a lamp
feel
covered with a
synthetic.
crochet lace design, and suddenly the room fills with soft, patterned light that feels soothing and magical. Lampshade covers give old lamps a new purpose and add cozy lighting to your evenings. They introduce elegance and character into spaces that might otherwise feel plain. Now let's talk about crochet rugs, one of the boldest and most impactful decor pieces. A circular crochet rug beside your bed brings comfort to your feet every morning. A large rectangular rug in your living room adds warmth and texture. Rugs in bright colors bring energy. Rugs in neutral tones bring calm. Chunky yarn gives a luxury feel, while thin yarn creates delicate beauty. Crochet rugs tie the entire room together. Bedrooms also come alive with crochet blankets and throws. Whether it's a soft lace blanket that drapes beautifully or a thick, chunky throw that feels warm and luxurious, crochet blankets add a sense of belonging to any bed. They're perfect for layering, perfect for comfort, and perfect for adding personality. A bedroom with a crochet throw feels intentional, inspired, and deeply personal.
Crochet plant hangers
Another trending item is crochet mirror frames. These are modern, stylish, and incredibly eye-catching. A round mirror framed with sunflower-style crochet instantly becomes a statement piece. It's an artistic fusion of reflection and texture, giving your wall depth and beauty. Crochet chair socks may sound small, but they bring charm to dining spaces and protect your floor from scratches. These tiny accessories add a playful touch, and when matched with the overall color scheme, they contribute subtly to your decor story. Crochet curtain tiebacks are also a unique detail. Whether shaped like flowers, simple braids, or twisted loops, they add softness to window areas. Small details like this turn ordinary curtains into elegant pieces.
And here's the thing,
Crochet poofs and ottomans have also become modern favorites. They serve as extra seating, footrests, or decorative accents. Their soft structure and stylish patterns make them both functional and beautiful. Children love them, adults admire them, and they instantly upgrade any space. Crochet door decor has also evolved with crochet wreaths. Whether seasonal or designed for everyday use, crochet wreaths add personality to your entrance. They're cheerful, colorful, and welcoming. Exactly what a home should feel like. The kitchen also benefits greatly from crochet decor. Imagine handmade pot holders in bright colors, crochet dishcloths that clean well and last long, table mats that add charm to your dining table, and jar covers that turn ordinary storage into beautiful displays. Kitchen crochet pieces bring a nostalgic, homely feeling,